Ahiajoku annual lecture series, instituted in 1979, is an annual harvest of thoughts that provides Igbo sons and daughters in all fields of endeavor the platform to articulate and project Igbo culture. This year's Ahiajoku Festival will be taking place on 29th and 30th of November at the Ahiajoku Convention Center, Owerri. In a bid to have a successful event, the State Governor, Right Honorable Emeka Ihedioha, set up a committee headed by the former State Governor, Chief Ahiajoku, to ensure a smooth celebration. The committee, led by its chairman, Chief Ahiajoku, were at the government house to present the 2019 Ahiajoku Festival logo to the State Governor for unveiling. Speaking, Chief Ahiajoku said the first day would feature a colloquium, while the lecture would take place on the second day. He announced Professor Michael Echero as the guest lecturer for the event.
The 30th Ahiajoku lecture was epochal in the history of the state. That was the time we invited the celebrated Chinua Achebe, who gave the lecture in 2009. It is 2019 and we are bringing another celebrated citizen of Nigeria in the name of Professor MJC Echero. Echero was the pioneer vice chancellor of Imo State, and he was actually the person that gave the first lecture, titled A Matter of Identity, on the 30th of November 1979.
Chief Ahiajoku said participants at the event would comprise of governors, captains of industry, scholars, royal fathers, the clergy, and notable Igbo sons and daughters drawn from the old Eastern Nigeria.
It is an intellectual exercise. It's going to take place here in Imo, and 7 governors have indicated their participation. We are expecting over 10,000 participants at the festival.
Issues bordering on the development of Igbo and the entire Eastern Nigeria between 1979 and 2019 will form the talking point at the lecture.
He is going to trace the development of Igbo and indeed the Eastern Nigeria between 1979 and 2019. Where have we gone wrong? What have we done right and what have we gone wrong? What do we need to celebrate in our culture and tradition?
Chief Ahiajoku said the colloquium promises to be a desired destination for fun seekers, as it would feature scintillating and acrobatic display from special troops from entire Eastern Nigeria.
It is going to be extraordinary. It's going to be well. People will be properly protected. People will be hosted. People will enjoy themselves. People will enjoy our foods. They will enjoy our culture. On the 29th, several troops from Ebonyi State, from Enugu State, from Delta State, from Rivers State, from Anambra State, from Imo State, from Abia State will come here and perform. There will be a colloquium on the 29th and the lecture will take place on Saturday 30th.